1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, Tita. Good day po. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. Bye, Tita. Love you.
Hello, Tita Susan. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you always.
Oh!
Tita Susan, happy birthday! Sana po mag-enjoy ko ang iningan daw ngayon eh.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita Susan. We love you.
Yee! Kuya Mon.
Tita Susan, happy 60th birthday!
Oh, baby.
Susan, happy birthday. Love you. Hello, Nana Susan. Happy birthday. I love you.
Oh, kuya to.
Love you.
Happy birthday from me and Ate Lobby. Nasa work si Ate Lobby.
Enjoy your day na. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Susan.
Happy birthday, Tita Susan. I love you.
Woo! Oh, da. Woo! Woo! Happy birthday to you! Guluda! Guluda!